Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to allow players both from Steam and from Epic Games to join your Ark server on Nitrado. So we're gonna start by just going to the nitrado.net, which is gonna be this. And you wanna go to your account, log in, and then go to My Services. So here, as you can see, I have my Ark server. I wanna press this, and then I wanna go to Web Interface Login. As soon as I'm here, you wanna go to General Settings, and you want to search EPIC Epic, and you want to do this: allow players from Epic Games Launcher and Steam. And if you don't want them from Epic Games, you can do only Steam. And if you don't want them from Steam, you can do only Epic Games. And you can also do this: enable Battle Eye, which is the anti-cheat, so you don't have cheaters coming in. So yeah, that's about it. I want to keep it short, so please leave a like if this did help you out. That would be much appreciated.